Hello and welcome to another video. These are medium level questions for systems of equations in two variables. Let's start solving again. It's pretty much the same, and I'm asking you for the value of y now. So 6.58, 6.58, and 66. I don't need to solve them manually. I can do them on my calculator, and it's pretty fine. X is 4 and y is 5, so y is 5. Okay, what is the solution to the given set? I can solve 2, 3, 8, 4. I have a feeling this should be no solution. The calculator will tell me. Okay, 2, 3, 3, 5, 5 minus 4 and 8. 44 over 23 and 9 over 23. That should be the correct answer then. Okay, what is the solution of the given system? Again, I solve minus 2, 3, 5, 4, minus 6, minus 10, infinite solutions. Okay, calculator is telling me everything. I'm not doing anything manually. Make sure that you understand that. 3, 2, 11, 5, minus 4. Not minus 64, minus 3 and 1. Okay, let's see if we have more medium level questions. All of these were on the calculator, so nothing much challenging about all of that. Okay, so 2 minus 3, 1, 4, 5, and 7. Again, on my calculator, 13 over 11 and 5 over 11. Solve this as well. 2, 3, 10, 4, minus 1, 5. 25 over 14 and 15 over 7, I think. Yep. Okay. 8. No solution. Okay, now this has to be done manually. Why? Because there are no answer options there. So let's start solving this. It's asking me basically for x in terms of y. See, I see all of these as x comma something. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to try to make x the subject. I'm going to replace y in one place and see how I can do this. Let's see that. Okay. What if I add the two equations together? Okay, what does adding the two equations together? This gives me 3x, this gives me minus 4y, and this gives me minus 8. Now can I try to make x the subject? There's a relationship between x and y. Okay, so minus 8 plus 4y over 3. Okay, that is x. What if I make y the subject? In fact, that should work better. Okay, so 3x plus 8, because y is in terms of x, 4y. So 3 over 4x plus 8 over 4 equals to y. So y is 3 over 4x plus 2. Yep, that looks like the correct answer. Oh, my bad, I didn't. Yeah, that should be the correct answer. 3 over 4x plus 2. I didn't notice no negative sign that was there because I had my screen halfway. Okay, so A is the correct answer. Then this one is simple. 3, 4, 5, 6, 8, 10. Infinitely many solutions. I think I'll have to go through the questions again. Yeah, and review. Our next session, let's see if it lets me level up or if it gives me more questions to do. I think it's going to give me more questions to do because I got that wrong. Let's do that. That was 5. Um, and that was no solution. Then that was 44 over 23. That was, I think, correct. And infinitely. I think it's going to let me level up now and go to the hard questions. It's still giving me medium level questions. Let's see if I can quickly get them done for you. 3 to 11, 5 minus 4 and 11. 3 and 1, I think. Okay, that was this one. And I don't remember this, so I'm going to solve this again. 3, 10, 4 minus 1, 5. Okay, no solution, I think. And this is infinitely many solutions because I see multiple of the equations. Let's see if I have all of them correct. I'm now allowed to level up, which means that I'll take you to the hard questions in the next video. Thank you for watching.